Okay, as you can see, I have done the last shell here for clue number 3, and all that I have left is to join before I start clue number 4. And to join, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the yarn I was using, and I'm going to do a slip stitch with the new color. So I'm going to insert my hook there, pick up the color. You can see here I'm starting with the new color that's a little bit lighter, and I'm going to join with a slip stitch. So I'm in through the loop, and then I pull everything, and then I'm going to make sure that I cut the old color. So I'm working on color. Okay, the rest of this is going to be done by repeating first section 2 or clue number 2 and then clue number 1. I like things symmetrical, and so that's why I chose to do it this way. If you have other stitches that you want to do, you can do them. You just need to make sure the multiples work for 120 stitches. But in this case, I am going to just leave it as is, and I'm going to show you how I start clue 2. Now I just noticed my tail. I keep pulling my tail here. So I've done the slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to do my knot stitch by going into the same stitch that I started with the slip stitch and in the next double crochet. So I pull up a loop on each one of those, yarn over, pull through all 3, and then I'm going to put a stitch marker because you're going to have to find that stitch again. So there's my stitch marker. So, and then we're going to go back and we're going to put the stitch in the next leg, and then here, and then there we go. So we're going to go back to that knotted single crochet, or the knot stitch. It's really a single crochet 2 together. You're going to go all the way around. You might want to go back to Clue 2's help video to remember how to join and how to make sure you always stay with the 120 stitches. But then you're going to do 10 rows of the knot stitch, and then you're going to switch to color E, which is the 5th color, and you are going to do clue 1, which was the knotted double crochet. And when you're going to do the knotted double crochet, you're going to join again with a slip stitch with the new color to the very last stitch, and then you're going to start with a knotted double crochet in the same stitch as the slip knot. I'm going to show you right here just to remind you what a knotted double crochet is. So you're going to yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop and pull through the first loop on the hook, so you have 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2. So that's literally it. When you get to the very, very last row, you are going to want to just make sure that you follow the instructions, and then all you have to do is weave in your ends and block it, and you're good to go. See you next time.